Alex, get over here this instant. Look at this.
You're becoming a proper burden, do you hear me?
Do you even know how to do a proper bit of work? I've nowhere to go.
Don't bother coming back.
It's proper freezing. Can't feel my toe. Don't be a daft cow, Alex.
Goodness me. Where's your coat, dear?
You're safe now, love.
I'm not a lost lamb.
Come on then, love. Let's get you another cuppa.
Proper cushy, this is.
You're a proper little
Welcome. I'm Lucy, and this is Lucy Daily English. Let's start our journey.
Alex, get over here this instant. Look at this floor, it's proper grim again. I cleaned it yesterday and you've already mucked it up, you little torag. Do you even know how to do a proper bit of work? Or are you just thick? It's absolute rubbish, this is.
Honestly, boy, what's wrong with you? Your mother's knackered from working all day and you can't even keep one room tidy? You're a right muppet, aren't you?
Oh my days, just look at him. Mum, Dad, I swear he's clueless. He makes the whole place feel dodgy just by standing there.
You're becoming a proper burden, do you hear me? Start pulling your weight, or you'll find yourself out on your ear. Now, move it!
I've had a belly full of your excuses. Just clear out, you useless boy!
We aren't a bloody charity, son. Out you go before I lose my rag. Move it!
But Dad, it's proper freezing. I've nowhere to go. Please don't do this.
Sham on, Alex. Don't be a wuss. Maybe the cold will sort you out. Ta-ta!
Don't bother coming back until you've learnt some graft.
It's proper freezing. Can't feel my toes. I'm absolutely famished. Would give anything for a bit of toast. Wait. What's that? A light? Looks proper cozy in there. Please, just a tiny bit of help. Don't be a daft cow, Alex. Just knock. Please. Anyone? It's proper parky out here.
Goodness me. You're soaked to the bone, child. Come in. Cheers, ma'am. Whew, it's bloody brilliant in here. You look proper famished, love. Let's get you sorted with a nice cuppa, eh? Eat up, dear. It'll put some color back in your cheeks.
Oh my days.
There's a spark in that one, in it. Where's your coat, dear? Did those proper daft parents of yours forget it?
Didn't want to be a wuss, did I?
You're safe now, love. No one's going to hurt you here.
What's all this then? Proper spooky hallway, in it? unlocked. Absolute madness. Oh, look at all this gear. No way, that's me. How's that even possible?
Found my little secret, have you, love?
That. Oh, that boy in the painting. He looks just like me, innit?
He was a special lad, Alex. Just like you. A proper little gent.
It's the same one. My great-grandfather's locket. I'm not a lost lamb after all. I'm home.
Come on then, love. Let's get you another cuppa. You're part of the family now.
Proper cushy, this is. Never felt so safe in my life.
Look here, love. You're not just a guest. You're family. You've come home.
What have I done? I've lost my boy over a few quid. I'm a monster.
Alex, please come back. I'm so sorry, my sweet boy.
A fresh start. A real home.
You're a proper little gent, Alex. And you're staying right here.